Hi, this is the non-credit instruction taught tutorial. We're going to review how to create, edit, and delete non-credit instruction activities in Digital Measures. First, in the teaching section of your activities database main menu, click on the non-credit instruction taught hyperlink to open the non-credit instruction submenu. This is where you will create an activity or a record for each non-credit instructional activity you've provided. Digital Measures will automatically put your entries in descending date order for you. The records you create in this screen are used to populate your CV and faculty evaluation reports. Examples of non-credit instruction include things like a review course, guest lecturing in a course outside of PNWU curriculum, such as a Heritage PA program course, research supervision of a student that is not receiving course credit for the research, or perhaps regional site training workshop that you participated in, such as OPP Day. To add a new item, you click on the Add a New Item button, and this will open up a blank screen for you to enter your activity information. Choose the academic year that you participated in this activity, and locate the instruction type. If you don't find something here that fits that activity, then you can always choose Other and then give the explanation of Other. For this activity demonstration, I'm going to choose Guest Lecture. And then for the audience, was this something that was internal to Pacific Northwest University, meaning you gave this instruction to PNWU people? It could be students or faculty or staff. Or is this an external entity? For instance, if you went to Heritage and taught and guest lectured, that would be external. It could be that it's both. Perhaps you gave a lecture and we had people from Heritage and our own people also, so you could choose both. But for this example, I'm going to choose external. Sponsoring organization, for this one I would choose Heritage because you're guest lecturing at Heritage. And then the number of participants, so how many people participated in that instructional activity. So we could say, I'm just as an example putting in 25 people. Was this an academic or a professional type instruction? And if it's a course type guest lecture thing, I would say it's academic. And then you can give a description as well. Now, description's not required, so you can leave that blank, and for this purpose of just showing you how this works, I'm going to leave it blank. Approximate number of hours that you spent for the year on this activity. So you want to put in not only hours that you spent maybe lecturing, but also the hours that you spent preparing for this activity. So I'm going to put in 25 there, and then you just click Save and Return. Keep in mind that it's not going to allow you to save and return unless you have all of these fields with the red asterisks filled in, as those are the required fields for the save function. So I'm going to click Save and Return, and now I have this activity saved. Now if I did another similar lecture opportunity, I can also click the copy button here, and it'll make a copy of this. And let's say that I did another lecture at YVCC, and then maybe it only took me 15 hours for the lecture and the prep for that. Again, it's academic. Oh, I'm sorry, that was number of participants. We'll leave that at 15, but we'll say 15 hours for prep here. And then I'm going to save and return. And so now I have another separate lecture event that I participated in. Now, you can always click on the pencil icon, which tells you that's the edit icon, and go back in and make any changes. Maybe there were actually 25 students here, so I can click that and then save and return. And the other thing is, if you need to delete these activities, you have a delete button up here, but it's not going to work unless you check the box next to the items that you need to delete. So I can actually delete both of these pretend activities by checking both of the boxes, clicking the delete button. It asks me if I'm sure I want to delete both of these records. I say OK, and then it will remove those activities. If you have any questions about this screen, adding items or deleting items, let me know. Send me an email or give me a call, and I'll be happy to help you. And that takes care of the tutorial for this screen. Thanks, and have a good day.